Do immigrants take more than they give? The data says the opposite. A common claim is that immigrants is a burden of the US. They take so much resource, so we want them out of the country. 30 years of physical evidence shows from 1994 to 2023, immigrants pay more in tax than they receive the benefit every single year. Over 30 years, immigrants generated 10.6 trillion more in tax than government spendings. When counting the reduced interest on national debt, the total fiscal benefits reaches 14.5 trillion. So if immigrants were a fiscal burden, those numbers would be impossible. Who contributed most? Non-citizens alone contributed 6.3 trillion in debt savings. College-educated immigrants accounted for 11.7 trillion. Even non-college educated immigrants remain net contributors. Immigrants typically enter the US during prime time working years. They bypass the childhood education cost and they use significantly fewer public benefits. They pay income tax, they have payroll, and they pay consumption tax immediately. So for US citizens, by contrast, they naturally consume policy resource when they are children, then in their childhood, or when they are in retirement, and when they need healthcare and social security. While immigrants, they bypass the educational part of the cost. They come here, they can contribute immediately. So this is not a flaw. This is how the social society works. But we can blame immigrants to take the benefit while ignore the statistical information which says the opposite. Immigrants are not draining US economy. They are helping sustain it. When immigrants are removed, the result is not a saving. It is labor shortage, higher deficit, and policy contradiction. I'm Jing Fan, immigration lawyer. Hope it helps.